Welcome to our channel, where we provide you with helpful guides and tutorials for using X. In this video, we'll walk you through a full guide on how to enable image addition reminders in X. If you want to receive reminders to add image descriptions to your posts, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open X. Launch the X application on your device. Locate the X icon and tap on it to open the app. Step 2. Tap on the account icon. Find the account icon positioned at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access the account menu. Step 3. Tap on Accessibility Display and Language. From the account menu, locate and tap on the Accessibility Display and Language option. This will take you to the accessibility and language settings of your X account. Step 4. Tap on Accessibility. Within the Accessibility and Language settings, find and tap on the Accessibility option. This is where you can customize accessibility features in X. Step 5. Enable Receive Image Description Reminders. Look for the option that says Receive Image Description Reminders and toggle the switch to enable it. By doing this, you will receive reminders to add image descriptions to your posts, ensuring a more inclusive experience for all users. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to enable image addition reminders in X. By enabling this feature, you can help make your posts more accessible to individuals who rely on image descriptions. Thank you for watching this full guide on how to enable image addition reminders in X. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more X-related tutorials.